Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to only view Reels in your saved items on Facebook using your PC. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and organize the saved Reels for future enjoyment. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website on your PC. Step 2. From the left-hand side, click on Saved. This will take you to the Saved Items section. Step 3. Click on Saved Items to view all your saved posts, links, and other content. Step 4. Now, locate the filter icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Step 5. From the available options, select Reels. This will filter the saved items and display only the Reels you have saved. By following these steps, you can easily view only the Reels in your saved items on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Enjoy your saved Reels on Facebook using your PC.